Lipofit.co truly represents a premium and highly trustworthy wellness destination that consistently delivers a positive, confidence-boosting experience from start to finish. What immediately stands out about Lipofit.co is the brand's clear commitment to quality, transparency, and customer well-being, which is reflected in every aspect of their platform. The website itself feels clean, professional, and easy to navigate, making it simple for users to understand the purpose of the products and how they fit into a balanced lifestyle. Lipofit.co doesn't rely on exaggerated promises or confusing claims. Instead, it focuses on thoughtfully crafted solutions that are designed to support real people with real goals. The brand communicates in a reassuring and informative tone, helping customers feel empowered rather than pressured, which is a refreshing change in the wellness and fitness space. Lipofit's attention to formulation quality and ingredient selection reflects a strong dedication to safety and effectiveness, giving users peace of mind with every purchase. Many customers appreciate how seamlessly Lipofit products can be integrated into daily routines, supporting consistency and long-term progress without unnecessary complexity. The brand's philosophy appears rooted in sustainability, balance, and realistic results, which builds lasting trust and loyalty. Additionally, the overall customer experience, from browsing to ordering, feels smooth and well thought out, reinforcing the sense that Lipofit.co genuinely values its users. There is also a strong sense of reliability and authenticity behind the brand, making customers feel supported rather than marketed to. Over time, Lipofit.co builds confidence through dependable performance, clear communication, and a user-centric approach that prioritizes wellness over shortcuts. All of these elements combine to create a highly positive impression, positioning Lipofit.co as a standout choice for individuals seeking a dependable, professional, and wellness-focused brand they can feel good about trusting for the long run.